so much
That's
butter.
a lot of butter.
Emma?
Why don't you put some of that back? Put some of it back, please. Not... Okay, put the stuff on the knife back. Okay, now use the knife and put it on your muffin.
On my finger.
What?
On my finger.
It's on your finger?
Butter on my finger. Now fold it. Fold it. Fold it. I did it.
Good job. Is it delicious?
Yes.
Well, what do you think?